Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video, let's see how we can install PostgreSQL and pgadmin4, which is a graphical user interface to interact with PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. So let's first install PostgreSQL. Open a terminal window. First of all, check whether PostgreSQL is already installed or not. For that, type command PSQL space minus capital V and hit enter. If you see this result, command PSQL not found, that means PostgreSQL is not installed. Before installing PostgreSQL, first update the system package list by running command sudo apt update. Enter sudo user password. Update is finished. Let me clear the terminal. Now we will install PostgreSQL. For that, type command sudo apt install PostgreSQL and hit enter. Type Y to confirm and enter. So it will start installing PostgreSQL into Ubuntu machine. PostgreSQL installation is complete. Let's verify the installation. Let's clear the terminal. Type command PSQL space minus capital V. You can see PostgreSQL version 16.6 is installed. Now we will create password for Postgres user, which is the PostgreSQL super user created by default. Enter the PostgreSQL shell as the Postgres user using command sudo -u Postgres PSQL Postgres and hit enter. Now we are in the PostgreSQL shell. Create a new password using command \password Postgres hit enter. Enter a password for user Postgres. Enter the password again. New password is set for Postgres user. Now type \q to exit. So PostgreSQL installation is complete. Now we will install pgadmin 4. Open your web browser and search pgadmin. Click search result link from pgadmin.org. Click on download link at the top. Inside pgadmin 4 section, you can see apt, which is download link for Ubuntu. Click on this apt link. I will put this URL link in the description box so that you can click on it directly. Scrolling down, you can see the instructions to use this repository. Install public key for the repository. You should have installed curl to run this command. If you don't have installed curl, install curl using command sudo apt install curl. So copy this command after installing curl. Open a terminal, right click and paste and hit enter. Enter password. Next step is to create repository configuration file. Copy this command. Open terminal, right click and paste, hit enter. Now we can install pgadmin. We can choose to install pgadmin in 3 different ways. Install for both desktop and web modes. Install for desktop mode only and install for web mode only. We will choose to install for both desktop and web modes. Select and copy this command. Right click and paste into the terminal and hit enter. Type Y and press enter to continue installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Now verify the installation. Go to application launcher and search pgadmin. Click on pgadmin icon. This will launch the pgadmin4 interface. Click on add new server. Provide a name for server. You can give any name you like. I will name it as PostgreSQL server. Now click on connection tab. Corresponding to the host name, enter localhost. Port number is 5432, which is default. We can leave it as it is. Username that will be used to connect to PostgreSQL server is Postgres. In the password field, type the password we created earlier for Postgres user. Click on save. Now pgadmin4 is connected to the PostgreSQL server. Right click on the PostgreSQL server we have created. Click on create and click on database. Provide a database name. Let me name it as sample-database. Click on save. Now click on databases. You can see new database we have created is listed here. So we have successfully configured pgadmin4 to connect with PostgreSQL server. Hope you find this video useful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.